Hi, I'm Tammy. We're here at Day 1 of IT Expo East 2012 in Miami. I'm joined today by Gatens, Vice President and General Manager of OneAccess. How are you doing today?
Good, doing well.
Good. So tell me a little. Good. So tell me a little bit about your company.
Well, OneAccess Networks we're a global company, and we are a provider of multi-service routers and gateway platforms that enable converged services to the small, medium business and enterprise. Are the service providers throughout the world. Some of the largest in the world are our customers, and today we have in excess of 500,000 platforms deployed throughout the world, and enabling converged services to small businesses.
Would you like to just tell us a little bit more about your platforms and how they're, special in your space?
Sure. What we focus on is what we refer to as hardware scalability and software flexibility. We're really focused on enabling the service provider to move away from the T1 and multi-T1 circuit to what we consider to be the new T1, 10 megabits. And from a hardware scalability perspective, we enable that with bonded copper technologies and fiber Ethernet technologies, GPON technologies. It really enabling that next generation of bandwidth capabilities to the small business, scaling it to the small business. From a software flexibility perspective, we're also looking over the horizon to enable cloud services to the small business through capabilities such as SBC functionality, WAN optimization capabilities, security features.
Great. So tell me, I heard that there's a couple of partnerships happening right now with you guys. Do you want to expand upon that?
Sure. This week we announced our partnership with CTD, Computer Telephony Distributors. They are a value-added distributor here in the U.S., and they are our partner for providing a channel for our products to a service provider. And also, one of the key values they bring to a service provider customer is technical support capabilities. A very real-time, responsive technical support capability that enables the service provider to bring that highest quality of service to the small business.
Great. So what trends are you seeing in your industry right now?
Well, two key ones. I think I touched on them a bit. One, the transition away from T1s.
Yep.
Again, 10 megabits is really what was a T1. It's that baseline of capability from a bandwidth perspective that's required for a small business. To the forward-looking and what I see as a rather aggressive adoption of hosted services or cloud-based services. Again, what we like to refer to as scaling down to the small business, enabling them to be available to the small medium business.
Great. So what are you doing at the show? Are you just here to network, see what's going on in the industry?
Well, certainly that's part of it. We are in CTD's booth, 729. We have our portfolio of platforms, and we're here to certainly meet with our customers and prospective customers and give them an overview of the OneAccess value.
Great. So what would you say we can expect from your company in 2012?
2012 is going to be an interesting year in that we're going to bring to market some new technologies that are going to, again, and some unannounced, some already announced, such as WAN optimization capabilities. The ability to integrate that capability into that small business multi-service router and gateway is going to be, we believe, quite compelling for the service provider that's trying to plan a roadmap of hosted services. I think that's one of the things we're really excited about. Throughout the year, we have some other announcements planned that I think are going to be really interesting to the service provider as they look for other technologies to enable higher value services to the small business.
Great. Well, we look forward to hearing about those as they come along.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining me today.
Well, thank you.